For this video, I'm just going to be showing you my work on one eye, but I'm always working on both eyes at the same time. This client is coming back after 3 weeks from her previous appointment. The retention can vary from client to client based on the quality of the aftercare and the speed of her shedding cycle. She can definitely improve her retention with better aftercare. I always start my appointment in the same way. I apply under eye patches and tape to separate the lower lashes from the upper eyelashes. Then I cleanse the lashes with Lash shampoo to make sure that they're squeaky clean. I really focus on the base of her lash line where the extensions will be applied. Then I rinse the lashes with saline, then dry the lashes. You can see that after the lashes were cleansed, it opened up some of her fans, which was previously closed. I use thin strips of tape to lift the eyelids to expose to the base of her eyelashes. This is going to help me apply the volume fans close to the skin. Before I start the application, I check the existing extensions one by one. At this point, I remove any fans that are closed or have grown out. I also count the extensions to keep track of my retention. Since this is a refill, I follow the lengthened curl that was used from a previous appointment. I like to start by filling in the gaps and also keeping the number of extensions equal on both sides. For example, if the client came back with 30 extensions on the left and 35 on the right, I will bring the left eye back to 35, then work on both eyes simultaneously to maintain an equal number of extensions. Here I am isolating the natural lashes with my left and creating a fan and applying it with my right. These fans are applied to the natural lashes one by one. And do you know the difference between classic and volume? Classic lashes are when extensions are applied one-to-one. For volume lashes, we apply multiple extensions applied to one natural eyelash. These extensions are open like fan shapes. Typically, a volume lash uses 2 to 5 extensions per fan, while a mega volume fan uses 6 to 16 artificial lashes. For this client, I created 5 to 6 D fans. When I isolate the natural lashes, I select the long and thick ones first. These natural lashes has reached a mature stage, so they are strong enough to handle the extra weight from the fans. I always attach the fans with a little bit of space from the skin. This is going to prevent the base of the extensions and adhesive from clogging the hair follicle. And it's definitely more comfortable for the client. Volume lashes can look natural or dramatic. This can depend on the length, curl, and size of fan. At our studio, maintaining the health of the natural lashes while wearing eyelash extension is our #1 priority. So you can see that I'm not applying lengths that are too long. But we can add more fullness with volume by customizing the number of extensions used in a fan. There are also different diameters or thicknesses available for eyelash extensions. When I do volume lashes, I like to use thinner diameters ranging from 0.03, 0.05, and 0.06 millimeters. By using thinner diameters, I can create larger fans without adding too much weight. This is a very important aspect considering the health of the natural lashes. I brush out the lashes in the middle of the appointment to see the fullness and balance, and I might add a few more in sparse areas. I also use a mirror to look at it from different angles. This is a great trick for lash artists to check the symmetry, lash direction, and fullness. After I check with my mirror, I'll add a few more fans for finishing touches. Look how dark the lash line has become compared to the beginning. Before the appointment is complete, I check the lashes one by one to make sure that only one fan is on one natural lash. Since we apply the volume fans very close to the skin, we need to make sure that there are no baby hairs stuck at the base of the fans. Once everything looks great, I gently dab the base of the lashes with some saline to help dry or cure the lashes, and dry the lashes with my air blower. While I brush out the lashes with my mascara wand, I make sure that there's nothing attached to the under eye patches. Then I peel everything off gently. And brush the lashes one last time, and the appointment is complete. What I love about volume lashes is that it allows a great level of customization to achieve the client's desired look. This technique will definitely give you a fuller, darker, and fluffier lash line. Just remember, every lash artist has their own method of process and application, so your own experience may be a little bit different. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and gave you a good idea of what to expect when you're getting your lashes done. If you have any questions or simply want to share with me your experience, please comment below because I would always love to hear from you. Until next time, bye.